What's inside?
New toy
Somebody help! I'm stuck in here! Somebody help! I'm stuck in here!
Bumblebee, did you see that? Some dragons appeared out of nowhere.
Oh yeah, there's a portal there that leads to a strange world. Watch this, Heatwave.
It's serious when dragons start coming into our world. I'll turn into dragon mode to take care of them.
Whoa, I didn't know he had a dragon mode. It looks awesome.
Oh, hi Heatwave. Look, I just made some new dragon friends. Sorry, Elliot. These dragons came through a mysterious portal, and they've caused a lot of problems in the city. I'm here to bring them back. Uh-oh, I'll help you fix things. Follow me, guys. They're all back where they belong.
Good job, Heatwave, but now we have a new problem. Your friend Elliot also went through the portal. He might get stuck there.
Uh-oh, I'll have to go in and get him.
But first we need to make sure that you can get back too. Don't worry, I've done this before. Come on, Hoist. Heatwave needs your tow rope.
Elliot, I've come to get you out of this weird world. Grab onto this rope and Hoist will pull you through the portal. Good, I didn't know how to get back home. Thank you for saving me, rescue bots. That strange world was a little bit scary. No problem, Elliot. I had fun trying out my new dragon mode.
I am Morbot. I will rescue. Rescue bots. Morbot just tried to put out a campfire, but he started the castle on fire. Come quick and put out the fire. Oh no, we can't put out this fire without Heatwave. Wow, it's Heatwave. He looks great.
Heatwave, we really need your help. Great job, Heatwave. You saved the castle.
It was thanks to my new hook and ladder mode. That is going to come in very handy with our rescues.
Polder, look. I have my own minicon. He's Drake the Dragon Bot. Drake looks cool. He's in water cannon mode. See? He can shoot water to help me put out a fire. Oops. Sorry, Servo. I got you all wet. Drake's very nice. He's going to be so helpful. Yep. When he's not a water cannon, he transforms into a dragon. Oh no, I wonder where Drake is going. I'd better follow him. Bye, Heatwave. Good luck. And then you take a very big breath, think of heat, and blow out fire. Wow, Lucky. That was very impressive. Okay, I'll try. Well, that was good water. Did you think of heat? Oh, I forgot that step. Let me try it again. Wow, I did it! That was amazing! Great job, Drake. Drake, I've been looking for you. What are you doing here? Oh, sorry, Heatwave. Shooting water is fun, but I've always wanted to be a fire breather. That's what dragons do. My friend Lucky is teaching me how. Watch this. Wow, Drake, that was great. Actually, your new talent will come in handy. Most of the time we use water to fight fire, but for a really big fire, like a forest fire, we use fire. When the two fires meet, they burn each other out. Awesome! Now I can fight fires with water and with fire. Thanks for teaching me to breathe fire, Lucky. I need to go home to Griffin Rock now. You're welcome, Drake. Come back and see me again soon. I will. Bye.
Surprise!
Heatwave, we have a rescue mission. The castle has been flooded and people are trapped inside. I need your help to rescue them.
It's time to stomp, chomp, and rescue.
Oh dear, it looks like there's a lot of guys stranded in our castle. I hope the rescue bots can help them. Rescue bots are here to help. Hop on, everyone. Thank you for saving us. I decree that rescue bots are fantastic. You're welcome. We're happy to help. Saving the day is the rescue bots' way.
Surprise!
Heatwave, Optimus Primal and Chase need our help. They got stuck in a tar pit. Follow me. Let's work together to pull Optimus out. Pull! Roar! Pull! Thanks, Boulder and Heatwave. You saved us. When I scanned 2 Rex to become a Dinobot, it lowered my supply of energon. Now I am weak and I can't control myself. Roar! I can help. The invention that turned me into a Dinobot will boost your supply of energon. Thanks, Boulder. I feel strong again, and I can control the T-Rex part of me. You're welcome, Optimus.
Surprise!
Rescue bots, I need your help. I was swimming in the ocean and I heard someone on an island calling for help. That sounds like a job for the rescue bots. Look, it's Wonder Woman. I've got this, guys. Hop on, Wonder Woman. I'll bring you safely to shore. Oh, thank you. Ariel, thank you for finding the rescue bots to come save me. My invisible jet lost power over the ocean. It went down and I had to swim to the island. You're welcome, Wonder Woman. I'm so glad that you're okay. Mater, can you tow my jet onto shore? Sure thing, little lady. But I need Heatwave to give me a ride. I'm not a boat, daggum. Hop on, Mater. Thank you, Heatwave and Mater. You're welcome, Wonder Woman. No problem, little lady.
Surprise!
If you like Transformers, give this video a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below the name of your favorite Transformer. Remember to subscribe to New Toy Surprise so that we can open up another great toy together.